Hey guys, Chatty Dad with you. I want to show you. This is amazing. This is absolutely wonderful, amazing. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is the same tree that I just showed a few hours ago, right before it rained. You guys saw my video. I know you did. Look at this. I mean, look. It's green, guys. Isn't this amazing? I mean, somebody's got to do some research on this, because this is absolutely just, man, it's gorgeous. And it's not super green, and yeah, it is green. But it's, look at it, it's beautiful. Absolutely.